mesangirikano y'iki kanisa baby shower anniversaries gusa ikinyuru kinyumo inyangi rusuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao bunabona housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayiga asiriguriri gutukutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masije munaba manyi bitabo bale nuba manyi biguro igeti byetibwa te signal ere enkomu igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gusigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726
Kigima humanchwa humo rigerali chinsa ninya cyabana maragaba litukeliga litangana kigima lyo mutinyo kabere umwaka w'ekiri 2025 nomo ekene kyonga chinsa inye asenchira yobo ikerano njeni ngorkwaro ni toto nyangire hoto kubatana kwanza mima yelio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli na sina kwaragenelia mange na kukandirie tobwatana nayo ika mwali Mwanchu murigerali kionga chinsabire ni gotoko cha gorwa chinsa mwachia Nyakongo ime ye ward ya Gisima county ya Nyamira ase abananchi nabo igo abarai aho abanyakaba kumirana ase umuyiga boko mwenia Esira Obiero oyo siretiyo bogima bwa kubatakana amonto buroire bwa kansa mu rugyo ya Esira Obiero ntaraniganya kwa gosira ange emyaka ebere yaitire egentu Kenya kabaga kaleta amanyanda manyen amanene asinse mecho nabo igo abarai aho nigo banyakaba gukirana bakorawa amo no mu rugyo mu gavana we county ya Kisii omo subati Mei Arati egati abarai banda bange bunago tumye muri gito Daniel Onteri
Oyomo haso yonde niko banyerali baga lyo kuligirira muberoye na komwa masikani yomwelyo abande barase mitandao yekerero masemo kubatekana nobuya nobosani bwae chinga kikonye kansa stage ya kane tarabutura ubugimo bwaye mubasokano kale myaka 35 nyegosira Ezra Obiero nigaye nigwa hase nkayae hase kenyero kya Nyakongo ekegotoka Gisima hase county Nyamira asomoyiga wikirenwa no muboro monene wobumenyi abairi nabasani nabarayi bage siasa na ulenge bwa maliga mange
amodetera niagante winga anko toswaru bosoku bo kwana na inche amangana yenyomo gona go chorete ontebya manganonsi kabo musibole umbatani nyangibiya kabwatani abana benyangi nyanso Kagira ngamba menye myaka menge muri program esira at 35 years so painful bakire muswati namokoyone abaje ko bali twatigerwa the Lord will take care of them oyo me size na bera ya Ellen oyo onde size na bera ya Ezra abana balia kwa chito twabatira abana balia we will be visiting them in the name of Jesus.
Ezra negabwatirie umurugyo ye Helen uyo sireti obuma bwaye chinga kyalenge kokonywa konyoro mwana mwaka w'ekiri 2023 na nero tigalete kolenda abana atigiretwe binywerere abono batigire bale chintakana asomoyiga asamasabo na matera byegwa libagali nene ensemo ye kanisa na salinge kolemeremo niko boigo bamubekera moga yubuye bwaye chinga kyalenge moyo na bamusabira umunguru abeko moyo ya sagaya.
I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will reward to me on that day not only to me, but to all who have longed for his appearing.
Kuruche Ezra miaka ya 35. He has been able to attract the masses. Kuruche kiu Kristo wakora. Kuruche kiu Nyasaye wakora. Age is not the issue. The issue is your connection with our friend Jesus Christ.
Asense mwende mumurumu abo nigateba iga.
I'm so heartbroken, but it breaks me more nikiona the innocence in Sifa and Len, who at the moment don't really understand much about kifo. But naomba muzidi kutuombea familia yetu ya Joseph Mugaka, because in the last 3 years tumepitia a very difficult phase. We lost Ellen, my sister lost the husband the following year, and now Ezra is here gone. It's not easy for us. Rest in peace, my brother. I will always love you. Good night.
Aseberere biga okubolia ne gukwabe kwa serikali kuligia na kubeka emirobelyo emikirano yokorwania burere bwa kansa bunenchiremo yogakania amakweli angabunaiga gwichasa matukali bosio nkuribo terega taseni kyagatembe kurega se county ya Nyamira literane nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Na manchumo ligerali lituko lialero nigegatia ba sister kurwase parishi ya kesi ose kerisi ya kesi banyaka bakobikora chigutu asababere bakonyora amaigalio igoro yo kwegerera oboyane bo manyabanto na nigesegati yarwegwa abakanya bansko bwatera na kwana kebuna oboyane bo manyabanto kwegerera bole chinga kichance.
Davis Choroke. I stand here on behalf of the Association of the Systems of Kenya to thank God for the successful completion of a group that is among us, a group of human rights education training facilitated and conducted by the Association of the Systems of Kenya. Justice, peace and integrity of creation. This convention is a concrete expression of the Church's commitment to education that upholds human dignity, promotes justice, nurtures peace, and fosters care for creation. Through this, the OSK training, the graduates have been equipped with knowledge and skills in human rights education, peace building and conflict resolution, good governance and devolution, communication and counseling, safeguarding, gender mainstreaming, environmental care, and the social teachings of the Catholic Church. These competencies are not only professional tools, but instruments for transforming society in the light of the gospel. Therefore, as Christians, let us continue to support initiatives that promote justice, integrity, reconciliation, and respect for life. May the Church remain a beacon of hope, truth, and compassion in our society. We pray that God strengthens all who serve in this mission and that our faith may always inspire action rooted in love, justice, and peace.
Omuntu muligili muwasiri kwikaganja giense gose National Treasury Musike John Mbadi niganya kabaga kubolia bakenya kugendera ko mochia serikali usikuruse serikali ama mocho ngakora kina kigento gakora serikali ya inyura ase gose alia ebwenda te kokora bakenya gose alinza chindera nyakaba yaibire Musike Mbadi nigale kwa nagachinga kenya kabaga usanga na bamenyi ibe county ya Kiambu azagende usangire ibirengera lya namano igoro yemera video yechibesa chia serikali ya Kenya.
We are also aware of the financial strains facing our public universities, which impact the quality of education and future prospects for our youth. Our strategy emphasizes increased funding, as I've mentioned, infrastructure development, and curricular reforms to equip students with skills relevant for the evolving job market, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence, data science, green technologies, and vocational trades. So during this process, we welcome positive critique of our public financial management systems and policies to shape the budget process. There is nothing wrong with faulting our policies. There is nothing wrong with questioning us. That is why we are in public offices. These offices we hold in trust for you. So therefore, you are perfectly in order to question me, even in the most, let me not call it uncouth, but in whichever way, forum, method you use, because people are born differently. So just come natural and ask hard questions. And then that may help me, because I may be overlooking something. All right? But also, let us engage constructively. What I don't support is partisan thinking in an engagement like this, where you already come, even when you are wrong, you don't want to accept you are wrong because you have taken a position. Then that is not an engagement. So your active engagement in this process guarantees efficient and transparent use of public funds, ensuring that public resources achieve their intended objectives. I wish to urge for your concerted effort to enable us build a Kenya where opportunities are accessible to all, where youth are empowered to live, and where our collective aspirations become reality, including
Manchumo rigerali homo governor bwe county ya Mapemos ke Gladys Wanga nigo agendere gosege tara gusingerabna ni kyama gya ODM kiragendere kubwatisya serikali yo murayibwense inse yo murabyo prodbed mo grayi gosomo nyakero go ibwe kyama gya ODM nigale kwa na iwachi ayochi nsemo chia kamkunji memo chi o Nairobi akanya kubaga wikirana ase umwega abwemisa gose kanisa litukuli alero
ametutendea tuimbe Emmanueli ametutendea sema Emmanueli asanteni sana mimi naitwa Gladys Wanga, mimi ni governor huko Homa Bay na mwenyekiti ya kitaifa ya chama kikubwa zaidi South of Sahara and North of River Limpopo, chama cha ODM. Kutoka Vanga Kwale, mpaka Todonyang Turkana, Tana River, mpaka huko Nyatike Uothorumo. Huko ni chama cha ODM. Nimeshukuru sana kuwa hapa leo. Tulikuwa pamoja na viongozi wengine wa Nairobi kule Dandora, kwa kanisa ya Lejo Maria. Na vile tulimaliza na tukaona rais wetu wako hapa, tukasema tuje na tushiriki pamoja hapa PEFA. Hatuna maneno mengi, sisi kama chama cha ODM, tukiongozwa na kiongozi wetu Dr. Oburu Oginga, tumeamua ya kwamba tumempea nafasi aende azungumze pamoja na vyama vingine ambavyo viko na sera sawa na ODM, tukianza na UDA. Tumeambia Dr. Oburu azungumze na Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Hiyo ni mazungumzo ya madaktari. Wazungumze pale na wapeleke Kenya mbele. Kwa sababu tunataka Kenya moja, na Kenya ambayo inaleta kila mtu ndani. Si Kenya ambayo inasema wengine wakae ndani na wengine wakae nje. Si Kenya ambayo inasema wengine ni shareholders na wengine wanatembea tu hapo ndani. Hiyo ndio Kenya ambayo tumesema tuzungumze pamoja, tuende ile Canaan ambayo baba alikuwa anatupeleka tukipitia Singapore, tukienda hiyo Canaan. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Tuko pamoja.
Na mwanju murigeria se kansejo no mo raiwensa muske William Ruto yonya kwa karana se emiseyo nya kwa kwa nake bana nigabe geto murogorio bene kwa nake bana umochie o Nairobi na monese county ya Nairobi ngonya kwa bare ko karaba oyo batakante ya mone chindo chararo asanya kwa nake mirobiri yonsi yo bachanu ime ye county eyo na boigeme mirobiri au ya magendro liganta kwa nake ya aba Kenya ase chinsema au
to you. I did promise the residents of this city that we are going to clean up the rivers in this city. As I talk to you today, we are already almost 40% in cleaning up Nairobi River. I am focused. Mimi niliwaeleza ya kwamba kufikia tarehe 15 Januari mwaka ujao tutakuwa tumekamilisha kusafisha Nairobi River kutoka kule Kiambu mpaka mwisho. Tutakuwa tumeondoa ile maji yote ya sewage, tutakuwa tumeondoa ile maji yote ya taka, na tutakuwa tumepanua ile river, tuhakikishe ya kwamba Nairobi inakuwa mahali pasafi. So apart from cleaning up the Nairobi River, there is the Ngong River. Hiyo pia tutaanzisha kufikia August this year. We will start the program on the Ngong River so that we can clean this city in a comprehensive manner. Tunaelewana watu wa Nairobi? Yes, it is our responsibility. Nairobi is the capital city of matters environment in the world, and therefore we must lead from the front in making sure that Nairobi is an environmentally sensitive and an environmentally aligned.
Mwanju mwe garaba toka na mutemo kama gotokwirana ngumanya mange kurwa sensa meje gosoli na mano ese timu ya Shabana yenya kwa gosoli ritukolia lero ase egetikia gusi stadium gotopskocha.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ibata chikosi au bunabono Agricultural and Environmental Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barare Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera wone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali loan cyo basoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wali kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakanese nyomba komenya tokenda abana ngwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications kirororo n'ababunge bunabona mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Cliff Gisairo we committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangani atabire ngo mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba gwikagwe basari in full inta abana baito January ntekinega ndereta abana bali bakose school January mwakaribishirwe ndogenderete na intake na applications inchigenderete
asamange nabo ukubatalira ase skuri yiga kusi obakirisi nigutasi chilamba chabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imemo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengenjo yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bomanyi bwigoroke gima abo bakora merimo yabo keboikeranu
incheno manyagitari irini kemma obani korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo
Boigo, enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya, echichigo tumeka koringoria maroire au asomo bero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao.
Nabonta getoko tanga ase enyagitari ya itu nigo togokora scanning yo mubero mogima, yani tokonyeroka so umuntu bweke songo nga full body check up. Igonta getoko tanga nigo tokorigereri korwa so motwe paka amaguru ise twarigerere the internal organs chia uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia solo function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari high blood pressure oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney asthma arthritis brucellosis infertility in men and women hormonal imbalance family planning uterine fibroids oboroire bwe stroke prostate enlargement stomach ulcers chi allergies cancer
nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbu nto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga mariogo ali yago tichore emeki usako igore emeki yagera mani ndata arabiya nto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga boroire bori tokorokanga osteoporosis na boro buno boroire bo chandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo ngorigereri tore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amaroire andamange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheiskobu na bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere ni USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asamange bakeresimi ase number 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Mwancho muligereri karibu asensemo ya chigostoli nigo alitukulia lera timu ya Shabana yanaga kumena na amune timu ya Bandari asege tiki ya Gusii Stadium ase timu ya Shabana nyaka bagekobwa kemina nekyo ase yanyansia egolia ya Masirigina aliesagero amo ligito gwikire Tyson Manyara nigakira na asege tiki ya Gusii Stadium na gutwara ndio roboti rwa senchira yobwikirana
ase eligi enene ya Kenya eyo eteneneire amona SportPesa chingoyo ao nchiaba chikogosoligwa rero ng'amona Shabana eyo yayeita egoria yemo ase ligena lisagero etimu elia ya Bandari FC. Murangasil nigo yayeita etimu ya ABS Bomet chigori ibere ase eyemo. Kariobangi Sharks egori eyemo ase ligena lisagero yayeita Ulinzi Stars. Bernard Mwalala oyo ochoro koba omokochi monene o Bandari na inde oyo konyora ole mokonyi bwo mokochi o Shabana nigo agokigwa gokochi etimu ya Bandari na kogosoria engoyo ya entangani konye ase akabeire nonye banyara gweitwa egoria yamo asirigena liesagero.
Kwanza nashukuru Mungu, mchezo umekuwa nzuri, hakuja kuwa na majeraha, kuja kuwa na red card. Hizi ndio vitu ambazo pia kama makocha tunaangalia baada ya mchezo. Cha pili kwanza nashukuru the atmosphere, the welcoming party ambayo imekuwa hapa. Nimejisikia bado niko nyumbani, imekuwa ni jambo nzuri sana. Nimeona watu wengi bado uhusiano wangu na wao, unajua siku zote mimi huacha rafiki nyuma, so nafurahi kwamba kumekuwa na game ya urafiki, hakijakuwa na any incidents ambazo zinaonyesha kwamba tumekuja kupigana. Ila football ni game ya urafiki. Nadhani nilijua at some point ndakuja kupoteza mchezo katika ligi, lakini sikujua kwamba wakati ambao unapoteza itakuwa ni decision ya referee. Nadhani ni clearly haikuwa penalty, hakukuwa na handball kwenye box, but then hakuwa na clear view, sijui kwa nini aliamua iwe ni penalty na wakatumia nafasi na nimebadilisha matokeo ya mchezo.
Misira Migiro dhidi ya Allen Galeka. Misira!
Peter Okidi ekoche nene ya Shabana nere ni gata babuna eyenero engoyo ya mobera engoyo engongu kogosoria amono mokochi konye bagokonya na nere egekogera buna Mwalala na maete abagosoria bonsi na kila chimbinu gose obobisi bagotumeka.
Hii ndio mechi ngumu imekuwa kwetu hata kwa players wenyewe. Kwa ukiangalia Mwalala amekuwa immediate coach amekuwa hapa. So wanatujua vizuri sana, anajua kila player weakness na strong point yake. That's why ukiangalia wametulock, walijaribu kutulock kwa kila moment. But naweza sema vijana wamefanya vizuri. Tume defend kila moment. Wakati walikuwa wanapiga hizo balls tumezidefend, wakati walikuwa wanacheza wakikuja kwetu tumedefend. Ukiangalia Msaga amekuwa stubborn sana kwetu but tumemdefend. Because Msaga pia anatujua, anajua the team. Wale wachezaji walikuwa hapo ndio walikuwa na yeye. So naweza sema kama tumeweza kumanage that pressure, I think the boys wamefanya kazi nzuri. Despite the game plan haikuwa vile tulikuwa tumepanga, considering tunacheza na ule mtu alikuwa anatujua. So naweza sema point 3 ndo za muhimu. Tunashukuru for those 3 points, we'll move forward from there.
Peter Okidi boigo nigo akere President Ruto bunambu ya mono ase aruete eira bunango chiare korosi egeti kya Gusii Stadium ase kego chikoba nubuya ase community engima ya Gusii.
Mia sisema ita affect team because ukiangalia Shabana ni wazuri wa kucheza nje. So pengine ita affect team na wale mashabiki ambao wanatoka within, pengine watakuwa wanafuata team. Alafu pia environment pia kidogo, cost of nini pia ita change kwa sababu unajua pia management sasa itabidi wachipin juu team itakuwa inacheza nje. So for us players tuko prepared, na to the president naweza sema ni kitu mmoja amefanya sana kwa the community of Shabana, because ukiangalia Shabana na fans wao wanahitaji a very international playing ground ama kiwanja facility. So naweza sema to the president it's a good initiative, to the governor na wale watu wote wako behind that initiative. God azidi kuwasaidia ndio tuweze Shabana kikam next season ijikute kwa kiwanja mzuri, so kuchukua ligi itakuwa ni rahisi sana.
Ase chingakie timu ya Shabana irache kogosoreria isiko chingaki chobo agachobo Okidi nigo ataorokia obwo babonde bwonsi egakoera buna Shabana chingoyo chia isiko no ekogosoria buyako bwa inga sobo. Gor Mahia bono nigo etangaine goikarero ase yakire chingoyo 19 na nigo ebwate chi point 40. FC Leopards namba 2 ase yakire chingoyo 13 na nigo ebwate chi point 35 nemo. Shabana FC nigo yaba namba 3 na yakire chingoyo 19 ase ebwate chi point 30 neyemo. Murangasil namba 4 ase yakire chingoyo 19 na nigo yaikie chi point 30. Kakamega Homeboys nero ere namba 5 ase yagosoria engoyo ya 15 isatu na nigo ebwate chipoint 25 isatu. Chitimu chinde gocha inse na chiro nigo chiganderete gutira ase embero enene na ase ekororekana chibwana ine epoint yemo kurwa etimu yemo gochia ase eyende. Chingaki ekero legitu ya chakire Shabana gose chitimu au nigondo chigenderete kwirwanira ko enyorera chinamba chiabo. Shabana wikerero yagosoria mona Bandari nigo ya nyora chipoint 3 na komenta egoria yemo bosio. Kuripoti Gatembe jewe Cliff Tyson Manyara.
Manje muri ria buna to kolera mangana mayeke unga chinsa inya ritukeliga ria rero chini ngongoro kwaro ne toto nyangiri kurwa senza memenyelo ni to veterinary Wilson Makoli na kurwa nsema to mchini ga kurwa Mike Willis twara gotkoya.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi au bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwege bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwege bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwege bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwege bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwege bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving gocha sibali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Maria Dengorgu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera woni gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyo basoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wali kirichi tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya tokenda abana ngwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge unabona mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Cliff Gisairo we committee sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba ndege Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndogwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe bursary in full indabana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application tinchigenderete
asamange yabo ukubatalira ase school liga kusi obakirisi mugutasi chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bomanyi bwigoroke gima abo bakora merimo yabo keboikeranu
incheno manyagitari irini kemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo
boigo nyagitaria nigebwate chi machines chingia echichigotumeka kuringoria marwaire ao asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao
nabonta getogotanga ase nyagitaria itu nigotogokara scanning yo mobero mogima yani tokonyeroka somo bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getogotanga nigotokorigereri korwa somotwe paka maguru ise twarigere the internal organs chia chons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia solo function abnormal twako amariogo
amarwaire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oborwaire bwe sukari high blood pressure oborwaire bwe chinyigo gose kidney asthma arthritis brucellosis infertility in men and women hormonal imbalance family planning uterine fibroids oborwaire bwe stroke prostate enlargement stomach ulcers chi allergies cancer
nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina aliako na gusumbu anto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki eri etichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikorento bokongwa senkoro igonga mariogo aliago tichore emeki usako igore emeki yagera maninga tarabia nto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo aliago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire borito korokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo nkorigere ritore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire andamange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusia China
asa mange bakeresimi